It's not safe. I just want someone to set me. I'll always be there when you're ready. Though I like to keep my cheeks dry and safe. So stay with me and I'll have it made. And I don't understand why I sleep all day, and I start to complain when there's no rain. And all I can do is read a book to stay awake, and it rips my life away, but it's a great escape. Escape. Escape.